Well, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. I think the Partridge family summed it up perfectly. Come on, get happy. And that's exactly what this vehicle does. Supersized Volkswagen logo, two-tone paint, the love of the past with the brilliance of the future. It looks absolutely ready to roll down Santa Monica Boulevard and take us right to the beach, or frankly, back to the future. Now, to be clear, this is the European version of the ID Buzz that goes on sale in the late summer over there. Here, stateside, we'll have to wait a little bit longer for a more stylized version designed for the American marketplace. But I have no doubt it will be well worth the wait. Fundamentally, I think the designers have done a fantastic job capturing the proportions of the show car. Inside, the European model has 2 rows of seats, and as you can see, is light and airy and has a really pared back Bauhaus style that is pure German design with just enough California cool.